Hey guys, thank you so much for joining me again. My name is Gretchen and I am with Creative... no, I'm not. I don't know my name. Hi guys, thank you so much for joining me. My name is Gretchen and I am with Crazylady Creations. That is actually a nickname my family calls me. I'm gonna start over. I don't like that either. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching again. My name is Gretchen and I am with Crazylady Creations. If you're wondering what that name is, it's just something my family came up with because they call me Crazy Lady all the time in a nice way. I'm not really crazy, but I just say a lot of funny things and I say a lot of inappropriate things. So people who know me know that is probably true. So what I'm going to do today with my art is another flag. I just did a flag a few weeks ago, so I wanted to do another one. Actually, I did this flag here and I put the 1776 on there. So I wanted to do another streak pour. I call this the streaking method, where I lay the paint on there and let it slide up. I have the end result here. I think I might show it. I'm just going to show it at the end. I'm actually doing the video after I did the paintings. So I love how it turned out. It is beautiful. It has tons of layers and it just looks really pretty. So if you haven't tried the method, watch my first video, which is called the patriotic streaking method, and which is actually this one here. So I say so a lot all the time. If you're watching any of my videos, I think we might do a contest where you count how many so's I have in one video. So anyway, we're going to get going here. I just wanted to introduce this video real quick. It's the streaking method, an American flag. 4th of July just passed and I just want to keep celebrating with my patriotic series. So have fun, enjoy, and we'll see you at the end. I hope you really enjoyed that video, and I just want to show you what the end result looked like. So what I did with this one is I just put a stencil on the blue area of the flag, and it just looks kind of cute. It's darker than the other one. So the other one is here. I used some cadmium red here, but I didn't there. So you can tell there's some difference in color there. But I just wanted to show it to you. It's a 10 by 20, and I hope you enjoyed.